How to fix Instagram upload problem. So if you have any problem with uploading in your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you wanna do is go to the settings, go to the apps, and wait a few seconds. After that, all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on Instagram, now click here on storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on data usage here. This is very important step. Make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back and then click on permissions and make sure that the storage permission is enabled and restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.